What's up, everyone? It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with another protective style video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this crochet style right here. I will have the hair linked down below. The brand can be found on Amazon. It's Losmoeer hair. And the hair that I have in right now is the Passion Twist. It's in the color 1B, 12 inches long. I got 8 packs in the bundle, but I think I only used 7 and maybe like 2 or 3 strands out of the 8th pack. So you will have more than enough pack if you choose the 8 bundle pack. But if you guys want to know how I got this look, make sure you continue to watch. Also, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of hair videos, makeup tutorials, and also vlogs where I show my family. And yeah, so just continue to watch. Alright guys, so let's get started. Here's my braiding pattern, and I always just like to keep it simple. I've tried the different techniques where you do the different blocks, or you braid each individual one, then braid it back, or you do the rubber band method. And I also have some tutorials up showing that. However, this is the method that I like the best. I just love doing my cornrows and then just do 5 in the back. And when you do the blocks, it's supposed to give the illusion that the twists are like individually installed. However, I like it, and then sometimes I don't. I know with the rubber bands, sometimes they pop and then it just messes up the whole style. That's why I just like doing my braids in the front. But if you don't know how to braid cornrow, you can definitely do the rubber band method and just attach each one to each block. However, today, this is what we're working with, and the hair that we are working with is right here. So I have the Passion Twist 12 inches. This is 1B, so we are going back dark, and I have 8 packs. So here's what 1 pack looks like. This is how much hair you get in it. I feel like this is going to be enough to complete my whole entire head. And I think they give you a crochet needle as well. Yep, they give you a crochet needle, so that's a plus. So what you want to do is you take your hook, you open the flap, you take your hook, you go underneath the braid, pull it up, and then you take your hair. This hair is already pre-looped, so you just take the loop right here at the top, put it in the hook, close the hook up, pull it down. You can take the hook off, the crochet needle off, and you take the remainder of the hair through this loop and you just pull it. I feel like crochet styles are the easiest to achieve, so I'm going to show you guys a couple more times. So basically what you want to do is take your needle, you go under the braid, take your hair, open the loop, you put your loop on the hook, you close the hook, pull it through, take your needle off, open that loop back up, and you pull the remainder of this hair through. Depending on the type of hair that you have, depends upon how many times you might have to take it through the loop. When you're working with more, loose hair and not braided hair, as opposed to when you're working with Passion Twist or braids, like crochet braids, you don't have to go through the loop more than once. But when you're working with like hair, you definitely want to take it through a couple more times because it does tend to get a little bit more looser. However, again, put it on the hook, pull it through, open that loop back up, put your hair through, and pull. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up, and you guys can watch. I'll check back in with you guys in a little while to, give you some updates on how it's going. Alright, so this is how we are looking. I'm working on my third pack right now. I feel like crochet styles are great protective styles. If you are looking for a great style to install in your hair, crochet is like my ultimate favorite style because it's so many different crochet hair that you can choose from. I personally love passion twist on myself. I know I did some braids probably about maybe like a month or two ago, and they were cute. But it's just something about the twist for me. Like, I absolutely love me some passion twist, and I love to get the passion twist in the color T27. It's like a mix with the blonde. I just love that like honey blonde color with the passion twist. Like, it's just so cute to me. And you can wear this style for a good month, and sometimes even longer. Like, I've worn my crochet for probably like 6 or 8 weeks one time. It lasts a very long time. It does. And the upkeep, I would have to say, it's really not that hard. I would say probably like the first few days I do tie it up, just because, you know, it's new, it's fresh, and I just want to make sure it lasts. But after that, y'all, I do not be tying my hair up. I don't. I just like forget it, because for one, I don't like to sleep in a bonnet or a scarf. I'm just a wild sleeper. It comes off anyways. But of course, when you tie the hair up, it lasts longer. And also another thing, when I take my crochet hair out, I do not throw it away. Like, the hair like this, I do not throw it away. You can reuse it. Like, that's the good thing about these twists. Like, the durability for these twists. What is going on with this one? Sometimes this will happen. You see how the hair is just getting like so janky at the top. I gotta make sure I put my finger right here so I can keep that loop. But yeah, like I said, I've worn my crochet hair like twice, sometimes even more than that. I just get some spray, like some antiseptic spray, and I spray it on the braids before I reinstall them. But that's pretty much it. Girl, you gotta get your money's worth. So I really like to make sure I put them close together when I'm doing like the first rows right here, because I like to wear a middle part. Also on my parts, like if I like to wear, when I wear on this side, I want to make sure these rows are full. Like, and then it's a part over here that I like to make sure it's full. But in between there, like, I leave little spaces. I don't have them too close together because I don't like to weigh my hair down too much. But that's another plus about this hair, is really lightweight. I think this is my first time having 12 inches. I always usually do like 18 inches, 16 inches, 14, but I've never really done 12, I don't think. If I've done 12, it's been a long time. I will have the hair linked down below where I got this hair from. So I'm just gonna leave this like this, and I'm gonna move on to the back. So with this right here, this braid, this one braid, the way I braid my hair, I braid it to where I have one plait left. So you can take needle and thread and sew it up, or I take my crochet needle, I go under a braid, I come right here, I loop my hair, this plait, and I pull it under. I pull it under, boom. I do it again. I go under, I take the plait, and I just do it until like it's a little piece left. So I'm gonna do it one more time. And I got this little piece left. And now I'm gonna take some hair and I'm gonna crochet a piece of hair right there. And that's gonna kind of like lock that plait in. So I'm gonna take a plait. I'm going right here where the end of that plait is. And I'm gonna make sure I attach it. So it's gonna kind of like seal that up so that braid will stay up. Boom, there you go. All Alright, so here's what we are looking like with 7 packs in. I have my 8th pack right here, and I feel like it's little spots like right here that I want to fill in, just like little spots here and there. So I like to always, you know, put 1 pack aside, because sometimes I don't use all the hair, but I like to put 1 pack aside, so when I get to like that last 7th pack, that last pack, I like to go in and just fill in with this. Isn't this style beautiful? Like, give me a thumbs up this video if y'all think this is a bomb style. I absolutely love it. Again, the hair will be linked down below in the description box in case you guys want to check them out. But I will see you guys in my next video.